Hey guys, Chris Akoye. So on a quick one, some people have been asking me how do they redeem their coin that they stake. So if you have any projects that you currently stake your coins to mine or to farm on the Launchpad, then this tutorial is for you. I'm going to be teaching you how to redeem your staked coin on any Launchpad or any Launchpool project. So first, you need to open your app. Once you open your app, you go to Launchpad. Let me show you right here. This is the interface. You go to Launchpad. It will be displayed anywhere on your screen. So once I click on Launchpad, you have to also then go to the particular project that you are currently farming. So right now, this is the home page for my Launchpad, and I'm currently into the Mbox farming. I'm farming Mbox. I dropped a video tutorial about Mbox some days ago, and a lot of people have been farming this token and they've been earning. So right now I'm currently in the BNB pool. I stake my BNB coins, and I'm going to show you how you can redeem your coin. So you have to scroll down to the particular projects that you are farming. So in my case, I'm farming Mbox, and I'm going to click on this BNB pool right here. So once I click on it, it's going to take me to a page where it shows my project details. So you can see right now there are a lot of people right now farming this coin, and the APY is 3.19. So for me to redeem my coin, it's very simple. Just click on redeem right here. I currently have 2.9059 BNB staked. So right here you can see, if I want to redeem all my coins, I just click on max. So once I click on max, you can see right here it already brings out my 2.9 BNB. So if that's what I want to do, I'll just go ahead to click on redeem. But let's say for the purpose of this tutorial, let's say I want to withdraw 0.1 BNB. So I click on 0.1, then I will have to click on redeem. Immediately I do that, you can see BNB redemption successful. It will be transferred back to my spot wallet. So let me go back to my spot wallet to see if the BNB I redeemed is there. So I go back home, then I click on wallet at the footer section of this page. As I click on wallet, I click on spots. You can see spots at the top right here. If you scroll to this side, you see different other wallets. So I click on spots and I refresh. So you can see this is my coin right here that is being redeemed. So guys, that's how to redeem your staked coin on any Binance Launchpad project or any Binance Launchpool project. If this content has been of value to you, please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification so that whenever I drop video contents like this, you'll be the first to get them. Please stay safe and be good. Don't forget to use your nose mask. Bye.